Hello friends, welcome to another review here. This is kind of like a kneeling, like mechanics pad. Nice thick foam here that's foldable. It's about 15.5 inches wide by about 48 inches. So there it is. Pretty sweet here. Nice and thick, so whether you're using this to like crawl under your car on. Also has a little magnetic pad, so very helpful if you're taking bolts and stuff out. You can put them on there, not gonna roll all over the place, and you have a little spot here for tools too. So you can lay down this, use it for picnicking, sitting on there. If you're gardening, you can use this as a kneel pad. Different configurations. You could even use this to like as a little stepping stool. So it's probably about 8 inches high there. So you can climb up on that. It's very thick, heavy foam here. Let's try it out in a couple different scenarios and just see how well this holds up. Maybe try to knee drop on this. It feels, yes, really thick, dense foam, so it should provide quite a bit of protection on here. So you can use this as a step to like reach stuff on the top shelf if you want to. It's pretty stable. Take it out here, unfold it real quick. You could use this for a kneeling pad. Like, look at that. No problem at all. If I kneel down on my concrete like that, I'd be in a world of hurt. You could use this to do like your exercise or whatever. It's some good padding, you know. Takes up little space. When you're all done, you can just fold it up and just put it on your shelf or whatever. Oh, this is long enough too, so if I'm working on my truck, I can kind of get on here and just kind of crawl my way under here. Put my screws on this little magnet thing so they're not going to go anywhere. Put my tools in that little slot there too, so I can still kind of be on there and not going to roll away if I'm on a surf or something. Then I can get up under here and work here nice and comfortably. Keeps me off the ground if it's wet or dirty and stuff like that. Pretty easy to move around on too if I need to. And finally, like if I want to do some gardening or whatever, makes a nice kneel pad too. That's comfortable. It's going to keep if you're in the wet or whatever, it's going to keep your pants nice and dry. And also not going to damage your knees when you're having to kneel over to pick your weeds and stuff like that. So all in all, very versatile. I like how small it is, compact, easy to put away. If you need to hose this off real quick, it's pretty dense foam, so you're not going to hurt it. You can just rinse it off, get all the dirt off there, put it away for the next time. But yeah, super comfortable. Nice way to protect yourself from getting injured whether you're doing your workouts or trying to work on your truck or whatever. So thanks for watching this review, my friends. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.